Okay, so let's proceed with the next topic. As far as social issue is concerned, population and related issues. Another important thing. So basically, the first thing that comes to our mind when we look at this topic is that what is population? Okay, so population is nothing. It's basically the sum total of all people, or people living in a particular geographic area. ठीक है. So as per if we look at India census 2011, our population is 1.2 billion. Okay, and ये 2011 में था, तो आज तक तो it is said by people that it would be around 1.3 billion. ओके तो इसके चलते this amount of population which we have as of now, and we are the second largest population. It has been called as population explosion. ठीक है, हमारे पास देख लीजिए, we have 2.4% of land area in world. We have 17.4% of world population. 2.4% of land area, 17% of the world population. For example, if we go back into the history, in the year 1600, okay, the population of India was 10 crore, and in year 2018 it is 130 crore. That is 1.3 billion of people. I'm just giving you an idea that how we have been grappling with this ever increasing population, and it would be said that every sixth person in the world is Indian. Every sixth person is Indian. Okay, and India adds about 10 lakh persons to its population per 3 weeks. $10 lakh to its population per 3 weeks. Okay. In fact, there's this popular thing that every year India adds a new Australia to itself, because the amount of the population which is there in Australia, उतना हम हर साल में produce करते हैं. ठीक है. So that is another thing, and in 2030 India is likely to overtake China. So these things give you an idea how much we are grappling with this over increasing size of population. There are 3 times more couples entering into fertility bracket than leaving it. Okay, and the people entering are 3 times more fertile than those leaving it.